Cooperative learning may be defined as a teaching technique in which students are asked to form and work in groups to perform a task and to achieve a goal. The idea is that they will learn to cooperate. In this video, we will briefly explain the criteria of forming teams and ways to promote positive interdependence and individual accountability.
A very important thing in this instructional method is forming groups. For that reason, instructors have to keep in mind some important aspects to do this. For example, it's important to form teams of 3 or 4 students for more tasks. Larger groups can generate more ideas, deal better with complex ideas, and create fewer group reports to process. With a few exceptions, research favors groups which are heterogeneous with regard to academic achievement, gender, ethnicity, task orientation, ability, and learning style. If these assignments require work being done outside class, it's important to form teams whose members have common blocks of time to meet during the week. And finally, when students' assignments require Word democratic category are historically at risk for dropping out. Don't isolate members of category in a team. It means that we don't have to let the students choose their group members. We have to form these teams, because in that way all the students will participate in the teams.
Assigning roles to the members of the group, roles being coordinator, recorder, checker, and monitor, gives them a bigger sense of responsibility and self-respect, as they feel important within the group. For example, the coordinator makes sure that the team members are aware of the time and place that they will meet, and that everybody does their share of the work. A bonus to the teams with average test grades above 80%, so that all team members are motivated to do their best to get the highest grades. The instructor has to designate which team member is going to report orally on each part of the assignment. It ensures that everyone in the team knows what the others did, and in this way positive interdependence and individual accountability will result from this method. To avoid having hitchhikers getting grades that they don't deserve, individual tests that cover all of the material should be given. In lecture courses include group homework grades in the determination of the final course grade only when a student has a passing average on the individual exams. Have the monitor ensure that everyone understands everything in the assignment. Teams are not to include the names of hitchhikers on the report. If hitchhikers don't cooperate, the team members may notify them in writing that they will be fired. If there is no change within a week, the members that don't cooperate will be out of the group. Also, the students that always get everything done may quit if the same situation is going on. Of course, these actions must be known by the instructor by means of a copy of the notifications before anybody is fired, or